Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Reaper Bones mini. This time it is a Clay Golem. It was primed in desert sands and I started off with dark flesh tone for that reddy sort of clay look. The mini was voted for on my Discord server, where anyone who wishes to join can use the link below and help me choose which mini to paint every week. If you have any questions or mini requests to be added to the polls, please comment below or join Discord and post them in there. You can also ask me on Twitch, where I stream on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. While I wait for the skin to dry, I grabbed Scarlet Red to do his shorts. Not really sure why there's any clothing on this mini. I think the Reaper one is the only one I've seen that actually has clothing, and then it's just all clay. Now for the first highlight over the entire skin using dirt splatter. This is only slightly lighter than the dark flesh tone, so it's perfect to start blending it up to that sort of areas where the light touches. Next up is the second highlight on the skin with Monster Brown. This highlight is only really for the sharper edges and some of the top areas that are touching where the light will directly be hitting. I then do a quick highlight with the shorts using Bloody Red. This is quite a strong highlight to go over Scarlet Red, but that's because this is such a small area. It just makes sense that you can't do multiple layers, so one big highlight makes more of an impact. To add some details such as the teeth and nails, I used leather brown. I did try to do a highlight on the face with this, but didn't feel like it came out as well, so I stopped doing that. It wasn't so bad though that I had to go back over it, so I left the leather brown how it was. Now for the eyes with Magic Blue. I tried to get this a little bit around the socket as well as in there to give it a sort of glowing look, since this is a magical construct. I then grab white and just dot in the center of the eyes just to finish up that glow. Next, I used cold grey to do the base. This just covers the entire base as a whole. Now the first part of the base is dry. I used mid brown to do a wash over the entire mini, including the base. This is going to bring back that sort of reddy clay look on the skin. To finish the model off, I dry brushed the base with Stonewall Grey, just to bring it back to that sort of stony look, but with the variation in there. And that will be it for the Clay Golem. Such a simple mini, but very satisfying to paint. As always, there will be photos of this mini on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to vote on the next Reaper mini I paint, join the Discord using the links below. Voting will end a week after this video comes out. If you just want to chill, hang out and play some games, check out my Twitch stream where I stream Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.